How to disable ads in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want a smoother gaming experience without interruptions in Beach Buggy Racing 2, then you can simply go ahead and disable ads. To do so, first of all, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and look for the Disable Ads button in red at the top right corner and tap on it. You'll need to go ahead and pay $2.25 for removing or disabling ads and go ad-free. Simply tap on the green button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Then you can go ahead and make your purchase, select your credit or debit card or add a payment method if you haven't yet, and once you are done paying, you'll be able to disable ads in the game. Another way you can disable the ad is by going ahead and turning off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try enabling airplane mode while playing the game, and then this can reduce or stop ads in some cases, but some game features may not work offline and rewards from ads might not be available. So that is how you can easily stop ads or disable ads in Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.